Most of this Wheelarch is double skinned, so there is no chance to repair it using traditional panel beating methods. It will be repaired by reshaping with panel pullers and finishing off with body filler. The outer lip is tapped out first. Then the damaged area is sanded to bare metal with a DA sander. A mini sander fitted with a fibre disc is used to sand right into the deep gouges. With that done, a pin gun is used to weld pull pins to the panel. These are gently pulled with a slide hammer to bring out the damage. For the longer gouges, wiggly wire is welded on and pulled out using a pull hook and a large slide hammer. The panel is then sanded with a 4-inch sander with a 36 grit disc. The damaged area is then sprayed with a coat of copper-based weld-through primer. When filed, the primer acts as a guide coat, showing up the many remaining areas still needing to be pulled out. The use of copper primer instead of matte black allows for the weld-on pullers to still be used. Matte black would not allow electrical contact as the copper does. Once the panel has been reshaped as best as possible, it is sanded to bare metal. Now a skim of body filler is applied. A light coat of matte black is sprayed on to act as a guide coat when shaping the filler. Any high spots are tapped down and a second coat of filler is applied. More guide coat, more sanding, any remaining pinholes in the filler are dabbed in and sanded off. Finally, the job is finished off with the DA using a 180 grit disc to feather off the paint edge, taking care not to ruin the shape of the filler.